Good evening everyone. Today we'll discuss page layout in Excel. So let's go to the Excel. Here first option is themes. Themes is a combination of color, font and effect. For activating theme we need to press Ctrl T for conversion of Excel data into table. So the moment I convert into the table by pressing Ctrl T, it turned like this. So let's go to themes option. Here it is dynamically changing by color, font and effect. Few options down there. So let's opt mesh. Accordingly, we can change color, blue warm, yellow, red. Next, we can change font by page layout like this. Effect is also there. Let's learn page setup. So here we have a file. So let me reduce the size, then I will tell you what to do. So first of all, let's select the data, go to page setup and press this button, page setup. From this option we'll discuss everything. So here first option is orientation. The same option is written here. Next, scaling. Scaling is means we need to set up the page according to the size, normal size 100%. If I want to increase this size, let me increase 110. So when we do the print preview, the system will increase this size. Let's do it again. Let's make it 90. So everything is coming in one window. Let me check again. Here. Let's discuss about the margins. Let's have the print preview. So let me go back again. Let margin. Here I'm going to write 4. Go to margin 4, let it be 6. This option is like that. We can have the print setups and things. We can do page setup according to our need. So next option is header and footer. There is no footer, so let me write some page number or page number, something like that. We can have it different. Next option is sheet, print area, print titles, grid line. If you want to grid line, black and white, draft quality, row and column heading, comments. Let's have the print preview. It is showing visitor ID 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. We'll go back again and let's explore one more thing. seat option में row and column headings, leave it. So this is showing. So page setup, it is finishing. Next option is, so kindly see here, scale to fit. In this option, you can find here dotted line here. The moment I increase up to 100, so dotted line went up there at each segment. It means up to E column is a one page, and from F column it is starting another page. So let's make it 65 here. Now the font size has been reduced for the setup of a paper. So the moment I click the print preview, so it is printing everything. Next option is arrange. Next option is seat option. So seat option is what it is. Let me discuss. So first of all, there's a few buttons, grid lines. If you want to print grid lines, we need to activate this checkbox. If we want to view the headlines like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, these are our headlines. And similarly, corner line is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to so many numbers are there. If we want to print, we need to check this box. If we do not want to print, let me uncheck this view button, view heading. So the moment I uncheck, the A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3 are gone. Next, grid line. So the moment I turned off the grid line, so all area is turned into blank. So let's activate the grid line. Next option is arrange. There is a two shape is there. So first option is bring forward. So let me bring forward the black shape which is written something. So the moment I click it, click on the black shape and click this button, bring forward. The moment I click bring forward, it turned, so black shape come out in the front. So let me send it to back forward. So we can do same things according to this selection. We can do changes. We can hide, unhide. Next option is alignment. So the moment I need to remove the grid line, so here is alignment button there. We need to uncheck. Next option is rotation. So let me rotate this. So it can be done through this option. So this is the small video for the page setup. Hope it will help to learn Excel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.